Hey viewers, this is Works Guy. I'm just with my brother and me and him are driving in a torrential downpour on the 401 eastbound just coming out of Kingston. It's crazy right now. Can barely see. We're going mad slow. 4 ways are on. This is crazy. This has been going on for about 10-15 minutes. It's like a tsunami out here. We do have close to a full tank of gas, and we're in a Honda Pilot right now. We got new tires on it, the Michelin LTX 2s. Wow, I can barely hear myself. Sadly, we got a car wash before we started our journey. We're going up to Alexandria Bay in the United States. It's 3 hours from us, and we're about 2 hours away still. 2.5. Just so much. Yeah. Just. Just wait, Cody.